In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an overall progress bar, building on what we covered in our previous video about individual progress bars. If you haven't watched that one yet, you might want to check it out for a bit of background, but don't worry, I'll guide you through this process step by step so you can follow along easily. To get started, we already have the progress bar code or formula we previously created. Our aim now is to build an overall progress bar by copying and pasting that same code or formula. You'll find that having the formula ready is incredibly helpful, allowing you to replicate what's worked for you before. Once you've pasted the formula, the next step is to adjust the data cell location. This means updating the formula so it references the correct cell where your overall progress data is stored. Doing this ensures your overall progress bar displays accurate information that reflects the entire project instead of individual parts. Now, let's inject a bit of visual differentiation by changing the color of this new progress bar. Adjusting the color is not only for aesthetics, but also functional, as it helps you easily distinguish it from the individual progress bars. By making it stand out, you can quickly identify your overall progress when you're dealing with multiple charts or forms of data. There's no need to change the chart type or the maximum value. Leaving those elements intact retains the consistency and reliability of your data representation. Consistency in these parameters ensures that your progress bar remains an accurate reflection of your progress. Now that your progress bar's foundation is set, we need to calculate the value for our overall percentage. This involves using the average function, a handy tool within Google Sheets that simplifies calculating averages for you. To use the average function effectively, first select the cell where you'd like your overall progress to be displayed. Click into it and enter this formula, average. Now, using your mouse, drag over or click to select the range of cells where all your individual percentages are stored. Once you've selected the range, press Enter. Doing this calculates the average percentage of progress across all your individual tasks or milestones, giving you a clear idea of your overall progress at a glance. It's incredibly satisfying to see everything pulled together into one summary figure that's easy to understand. Congratulations! You've just created your overall progress bar, an excellent visual and analytical tool for tracking comprehensive progress in your projects. Whether you're managing tasks for work, study, or personal goals, this overall progress bar can help keep you on track. Thanks for tuning in today. And remember, with these charts, you not only stay organized, but also gain deeper insights into how you're progressing over time. Enjoy exploring your newfound skills, and I'll see you in our next video where we'll continue to enhance your productivity toolkit.